Viewer discretion advised. The following video contains real-life incidents and scenarios. It is intended solely for educational purposes to demonstrate the effective application of the Karzame Virtual Safety App for your personal security and safety. Viewer discretion is advised as some scenes may be sensitive or distressing. Disclaimer: the Karzame Virtual Safety App is designed to enhance personal security and safety. Proper usage is essential to fully benefit from its features. Please note, this app is not intended as a crime-fighting tool or tracker. Failure to correctly apply the features of the app as described may compromise your safety and hinder its effectiveness in preventing crime and aiding investigations if eventual crime is committed with the police. Karzame Technologies, the owner of this software, cannot be held responsible for misuse or failure to follow the recommended application practices to stay safe. Stay safe and use the app responsibly.
Joy had been receiving lavish gifts and money from her boyfriend Joe, which seemed harmless at first. However, her mother had a growing concern about Joy's safety, especially since they had heard unsettling rumors of ritual killings and kidnappings in their neighborhood. Insisting on caution, Joy's mother urged her to install the Karzame app for added security before she went to visit Joe at his house. Upon her arrival, Joy immediately activated the Karzame app. She performed a virtual home check, sending real-time images of her location to her mother and a close friend. Joy also set up the app's well-being check services at intervals, which included an automatic notification to the support desk by the bot if she didn't check in within a certain time frame. Unknowingly to Joy, Joe had darker intentions. He had been planning to abduct her for ritual purposes, hoping to cash in on the lucrative black market for human body parts. As Joe began to put his sinister plan into motion, the Karzame app support desk called to conduct well-being check on Joy as timed. The sudden call from support startled Joe and shouted at Joy to hurry, pick her call, and place it on speaker. Joy did what she was instructed by Joe. The phone was on speaker when the voice of the live agent support asked about Joy's well-being in the environment she is currently in and why she didn't reply to messages on the bot. Joy couldn't respond and hesitated in fright to respond audibly, which caused Joe to hesitate and panic. That his location is on close surveillance. Joe tried to hijack her phone while still on call with live support agent, but Joy ran downstairs with her phone on her hand. This gave Joy the opportunity to tell the live support agent that her life is in danger. Using the app's well-being check section, which has a live agent, is a game changer. The Karzame team swiftly notified the police. Officers responded quickly to the alert, and they were able to rescue Joy before any harm came to her. Joe was arrested and charged with attempted kidnapping and ritual killing. Thanks to Karzame, Joy was able to escape a terrifying situation. She returned home safely, relieved to be with her mother, who was grateful for the app's life-saving capabilities. In a world where crimes like kidnapping and ritual killings are prevalent, having the Karzame app can be the difference between life and death. Stay safe, stay protected.